Hello, Superior Blinds customers. We'd like to say thank you for embracing and using the brand new Superior Blinds online ordering platform. Today, Superior Blinds how-to video will be showing you how to make a payment on the Superior Blinds online ordering platform in Classic View. First, please go to superiorblindsmfg.com. If you're not already logged in, please log in. Go to Order Online button, click here. Put your information for your account, user ID, and password. Make sure there's no additional blank spaces before or after your characters, and hit submit. This screen will pop up. Please look to your left on the left-hand menu bar, Online Service Center. Scroll down, look for Account Statement. Now you are on the Account Statement page. This will display all the invoices, still in progress orders, completed orders, and fully shipped orders. From there, you need to click on Make Payment button. Please note this page is for display purposes only. On the account statement page, you'll see a variety of different orders that you can select to pay for. To select the ones you want to pay for, please go to the Pay column. Click on this button. On the checkbox, you'll see a blue box with a white check mark. There will activate the actual payment process to the right in the amount column. That will show all the orders that you actually want to select. Right now, we're only having one being displayed because we're training process. Below, you'll see a 3% card surcharge at the bottom. These will give you a grand total of all your actual orders that you've selected at this time. Right now, we only have one. Next, please select and click on Select Payment button. Here is where you put your credit card information in, and then from there, make sure that you can save your card by turning this on, and this will populate a green box, and this will save your information for the next time you want to place an order. And then from there, you hit OK in that area, and it'll say Payment Captured Successfully. Now you have your payment process set up on your account to pay your orders online with Superior Blind online ordering platform. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial. And still, if you have questions, please reach out and contact customer service at Superior Blinds Manufacturing. Thank you again, and we appreciate your business. Superior Blinds Manufacturing, your source of quality blinds, shades, and exterior shade solutions.